This tutorial will show the instructor how to use the course import function in version 2 of Moodle. This will allow you to import either part or all of a source course into another one of your courses, whether new or existing. You start by going to your target course in Moodle. That's the one where you want to bring in data from another course. For this tutorial, we will use a newly created course for our target. That doesn't have to be the case, though. You might want to import a few things into an existing course, such as a particular lesson, or a quiz, or forum, or file, etc. We'll see how to select what you want shortly. Now, from your target course, click the import link on the left. In the window that opens, you will see a list of courses for which you have at least the role of editor. If the list is long, you can search on part of the source course's name to find it. I want to import some things from this Moodle training course, so I'll select it and click the Continue button. You will now see 3 backup settings. Activities include all content in a course, such as assignments, quizzes, forums, etc. Clicking Blocks will copy any blocks that were added to the left and right panes of the source course after it was created. If you are only importing the content and don't need the blocks, you should uncheck Blocks. The only filter we use currently is the one for multimedia plugins. Just leave that checked. Click the Next button when finished with these settings. Now we see a listing of the various items present in the source course that are available for import. By default, all are selected, so if you want to import everything, just leave them selected. Note that the new Moodle version does not list turn-in assignments in the import content. Turn-in assignments must be added manually in the new course. Uncheck any other items or categories that you don't want to import. You have to check a week in order to be able to select any of the contents of that week. I'm going to just select a few items to bring into the target course. When the selections and settings are what you want, click Next. The next screen will summarize the items that will be imported into the target course, with red X's beside the content that will not be imported and green checks beside that which will be imported. If everything looks correct, click Perform Import at the bottom. The import will take several seconds. Once the importer is finished, you will see the note Import Complete. Click Continue to return to the course. Click the Continue button. You should now see the imported data in your target course. Note that Moodle will import any text that has been added directly into the corresponding week section of the target automatically. For example, week 3 data will be imported into week 3 of the target. This may lead to the target having some notes you don't want, such as this note, or maybe a spring or fall break note, something like that. You can delete this by clicking the edit pencil at the bottom of the week, then deleting the text. Now, one way to avoid having this problem in a course that you may later import is to make it a habit to add any text you want in a week by adding a label into the week and putting the text in the label. The import function will let you select or deselect labels for any or all weeks. So that gives you the ability to bring in only the labels that you want. So that's how you import course activities and resources into a new or existing course. Thank you.